Have you ever wondered why you can remember a face but not a name? Or why certain facial expressions trigger an emotional response in you? Welcome to the fascinating world of facial memory and emotion psychology, a subject so brilliantly detailed in the best-selling book, Facial Memory, Brain and Emotion, by the world-renowned neuroscientist and emotion psychology expert, Dr. Freitas-Magalhães. The book begins with a captivating exploration of the neuroscience behind facial memory. Dr. Freitas-Magalhães explains the critical role of the fusiform gyrus, a small area in the brain which is responsible for our ability to recognize faces. This chapter also dives into the concept of prosopagnosia, a neurological disorder that impairs the ability to recognize faces, providing a deeper understanding of the complexity of facial recognition. In the next chapter, the book delves into the emotional response triggered by facial expressions. It explains the concept of mirror neurons, the cells in our brain that allow us to understand and empathize with others' emotions by merely observing their facial expressions. This chapter provides a riveting look at how our brains are wired to connect with others emotionally. The book then ventures into the realm of micro-expressions, fleeting facial expressions that last for only a fraction of a second. Dr. Freitas-Magalhães illuminates how these micro-expressions can reveal our true feelings, even when we try to hide them, and how they play a crucial role in fields like forensic psychology and criminal investigations. In the final chapter, the book examines the impact of culture on facial expressions and emotions. It discusses how various cultures perceive and interpret facial expressions differently, emphasizing the importance of cultural sensitivity in understanding emotions. In summary, Facial Memory, Brain and Emotion provides a comprehensive examination of the intricate relationship between our brain, facial recognition, and emotions. It takes us on an enlightening journey through the neuroscience behind facial memory, the emotional response to facial expressions, the significance of micro-expressions, and the influence of culture on facial emotions. By exploring these themes, Dr. Freitas-Magalhães gives us a deeper understanding of why we remember faces, how we interpret facial expressions, and how these processes shape our interactions and relationships. So, the next time you find yourself remembering a face or reacting to a facial expression, you'll have a better understanding of the complex neuroscience and emotion psychology at work. And that's the beauty of facial memory, brain and emotion. It not only walks us through a profoundly complex subject, but also makes it accessible and engaging for everyone. Whether you're a neuroscience enthusiast or a curious mind, this book is a must-read for anyone interested in understanding